protective shield method over here. We're gonna lay this down all around the perimeter because no bald head edges over here, honey. Then we're gonna take the blow dryer and we're gonna make sure that it's as nice and dry like some of them bank accounts out here. That's why we on YouTube trying to get that check. I don't know what y'all use to oil y'all scalp, but this is what I had. So I had to oil that scalp. Mama said clean it up. Then we're going to use that bold hole protective spray because we don't want no burnt edges. Then we're going to use that bold hole lace glue. Yes, lay it down, lay it down. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, that's what I would have said. We're going to spread this evenly. That is clear. You want to wait till it's clear. That's what they told me. Then secure the back. Flip that over. Yeah, like a flapjack. Lay that lace, baby. I use tinted spray, so I didn't have to use makeup. And then we're gonna lay that band down like you want your husband to lay it down. And then the finished product. Y'all be safe. See y'all in the next video. Stay positive, stay prayerful, stay peaceful.